Okay, so this is another example for the second derivative test. The function is root 2x squared plus 6, and we are looking for relative extrema of the function. So step 1 is find critical points. Well, for that, I need to find what is f prime of x. You see, this is a 2x squared plus 6 to the power half, and I want to differentiate that. What I will get, this is called chain plus power rule. So it's half times the derivative of this piece times 2x squared plus 6, 1 less to the power. Okay, so this is 1 over 2 times 4x times, well, this is negative 1 over 2, which means that I have 1 over root 2x squared plus 6. Let me just write it here. So f prime is, this cancels with that. This is 2. So 2x over root 2x squared plus 6. And this needs to be equal to 0. There's a fraction, quotient equal to 0. It means that the numerator is equal to 0. And there's only one point which makes that 0. So that's step 1. Step 2 is evaluate f double prime at that point. Well, here is just one point at x equal to 0. But I need first to find what is f double prime. That's the derivative of this function here. So derivative of the numerator 2 times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and then the denominator squared. Okay, so here I have 2 root 2x squared plus 6 minus, well, you see, this is the derivative we just found. So this is exactly that number. So that function is 2x over root x squared plus 2x squared plus 6 over root 2x squared plus 6. Let us simplify this guy a bit. What we need here, well, we can leave it like that, but let me just write it a little bit better form. We can simplify this a lot, but I'm just going to leave it like that to show you that there is no need for any simplification here. Okay, now set x equal to 0, and what you find is that if, oops, let me write it here, f double prime at 0 is 2 times 0 squared is 0 plus 6 minus, this is 4 times 0 over root 6, and then this is root 6 squared. See, this is just 0. This is 2 root 6 over root 6 squared, which is just 2 over root 6. This is a positive number, so f double prime at 0 is positive. So the second derivative test says that f at 0 is a relative mean for f. Well, f at 0, we also know what is the value, 2 times 0 squared plus 6, which is root 6. So root 6 is a relative mean for the function f.